Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you get latest iOS 26.4 beta 2 version on your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS gadget. So guys, we can do it very easily. So simply guys, you may check that I have latest iOS 26.4 beta 2 version on my iPhone. So you may check this one from here. So if you don't have this version and you want to install this on your iPhone or iPad, you can do it very easily. So first of all guys, you may just go back and open your app store, and in search bar you may write here Apple developer, and you may download Apple developer app from here. So you may check. So you may download this app, then you may open this, and then you may click here on account, then you may click here on sign in, and you may sign in with your Apple ID from here. After that, you may click here on enroll now, and you may follow this step and enroll for beta program from here. Then after enrolling, you may go back, and now you may click here, and now you may click here on settings, then click here on software update, then click here on beta updates, and then click here on iOS 26 developer beta, and then that updates will be shown here, and now you may download. If that's are not showing after all these procedures, then you may go back and you may open Safari browser, and in search bar you may write here beta profiles.dev, and then you may scroll it on, and here you may see that here is the option of latest updates. Then you may select iOS 26.4 beta 2, then click here on how to install and install beta profile from here, and then open settings, and you may install that from here, and then that will show here easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.